This is how to remove a Honda motor 101.
And we're good.
She's out, no damage. I think she's good. That's how you treat a sport front-wheel drive motor. Bro, hey, next time. Next time. Alright, I don't know if you guys can see this. We've got some casters welded to the bottom, and this thing is completely stripped down now and ready for the paint shop, thanks to the help of Mr. Brad and Mr. Matthew Covington, Captain Slow. Or I can't remember what your name is. Slow or Slow. Okay. Alright. Yeah, so finally on the ground. We're about to put this in the trailer. Suppose this new GoPro like stabilizes a lot better, not like.
Yeah, one of those little gimbals.
Yeah. I feel bad for the Mako guy that's coming into this on Tuesday morning. Okay guys, so now we are all loaded up in the trailer and everything is stripped down. I honestly didn't think I was going to be at this point yet, but thanks to the help of friends, teamwork makes the dream work. So all into the trailer, hadn't used this trailer in quite some time, but going through and we are ready to head to the paint shop. So I think I already showed you guys, we got some casters welded to the front just so this thing can swivel in the front for moving it wherever, because I also want them to paint my fender wells. So yeah, this is a big accomplishment here. Once it gets back from the paint shop, we can actually start putting this car together rather than just mocking stuff up. So I'm really excited to see this. This is awesome. So we're gonna get loaded up. We've already got truck and trailer hooked up. It's about 34 degrees out, so we'll try to cold start on the old 6-liter. See how she wants to do. No block plug, no block heater plugged in right now. Let's see what she wants to do. It's got brand new everything right now. I've only had my truck back for about a month. Oh yeah. Oh, she golden, baby. She good to go. Let her warm up. Dump a little bit of fuel, not much. Good to go. We'll let her warm up and we'll head on to the paint shop. I think we're about to pull up. Yep, I see the sign. Truck's been doing well. It's the first time really towing anything since everything else. Ooh, let's see where I can pull in here. Alrighty. Let's see. I used to be able to pull. I'm going to go here. I'm go around the back. Dropped off here. They're going to push it in the prep bay in a bit. They said they're going to do everything, etch it and prime it and clean everything out. They said they're going to be done in like a week. So we'll see what goes on here. Hopefully it's done in a week.